Hello, it's Jeff from Globalnpn here. I'm just going to do a quick overview video of our List Marketer Professional product, just to kind of give you a rundown of the terminology and what everything means in the back office there, just so you have an idea of what it all means before you start to try to use it. So we're going to click to log in from our back office here, which will take you to this page here. Now this page is sort of your dashboard. It's got some statistics for the last 7 days, some contact list information, campaign information, that sort of thing. It's got some quick links here too as well, which are really easy to kind of use. I mean, they're just big buttons. And if you click on switch to quick links here, it'll give you more options, which is just sort of push button access to the functions that you need to get to. So let's just go over the tabs here at the top and find out what they all mean and how they all tie in together. Now you notice that in this responder the terminology is a little bit different than most other ones, in that everything is sort of tied into your contact list. Okay, it's not tied into your autoresponder or your campaigns. It's all goes back to your contact lists. So that's the first thing that you need to do, is create a contact list, because you will create a contact list, then you'll create autoresponders for that contact list. You'll create email campaigns to that contact list, and you will collect subscribers and create forms for that contact list. So it all goes back to that. So obviously the first tab here, we'll click on that. You can view your lists, create a contact list, and view segments. And a segment is basically a portion of your contact list. You can sort of filter out the people that you want. Okay, and the next tab here is contacts. This is going to be obviously where you can view all the people on your lists. You can search for them. You can export them to a CSV file if you want to download them. And of course you can remove them. The campaign tab here, email campaigns. And just so you know what an email campaign is, in this case, is a one-time broadcast email to your list. Okay, so that's what an email campaign is in this autoresponder. So you can view them, create them, and send them obviously. There's a really cool image manager where you can upload your own images into our system, and you can use those images in your responder letters or your email campaigns. So it's sort of a good image storage area, so you don't have to keep uploading or reference to images on other servers and that sort of thing. You can create split tests, which is a very cool kind of advanced feature, which allows you to get the most out of your contact list. And if you can view your email campaigns as they're being sent out. Autoresponders tab. So an autoresponder is a automatic follow-up to your contact list in this case. That's all it is. So you can view them, create a new one, and view triggers, which are other emails that are sent out based on certain criteria on your contacts, which is actually a really cool feature. Custom fields, the next one. If you want to create custom fields for your forms, for your capture forms, you can do that here. So if you want to capture information like someone's birth date or something, you can create a custom field and attach it to your web form. So that's that. And the statistics tab is fairly self-explanatory. You can view your statistics on your campaigns, your autoresponders, your contact lists, and any split tests that you have running or that you've run in the past. So that's sort of a quick rundown of the tabs on the top here. Now on the right, I'm going to try to move over here. There we go. This obviously gets you back to your home page, your dashboard. Templates. The templates drop down is going to be where you can create your own templates for your emails, and where you can view the built-in templates that we have available, depending on your upgrade level here. And there's about I think there's 120 in here. There's a lot of them for any kind of campaign that you want to send out. There's lots of themed. There's generic ones, and there's ones with themes and that sort of thing. And let's just scroll back up over here. And forms. This is where you will create a website form, which is a capture form for your contact list. So you can view your forms. You can create a new form. And it will give you, once you've created a form, it will give you the HTML code and all that sort of stuff that you can just cut and paste it into your page. You can look at your account. This is your account information. which is very basic. Just is the information basically that's drawn from your NPN account, your name, your email, that sort of thing. And you can tie in your, I'll probably go over this in another training video, but you can tie in your Google Calendar. If you have a Google Gmail account, you'll have a calendar as well. You can tie that into this, so you can schedule follow-ups with your prospects, and it will automatically synchronize with your Google Calendar, and obviously your calendar will remind you when you're set to do a follow-up or any kind of follow-up like that. So that's kind of a cool feature. And of course your logout button here will get you out of the system. So that's a basic rundown of what it looks like in your back office and the functionality of it, which is there's lots of really cool advanced features, you know, split testing, triggers, that sort of thing. It's a really advanced system, so I would recommend using this system if you're serious about building a list and serious about getting the most out of your list, basically making the most money out of your list, which is what we're all kind of here to do, right? So there you go. That's my rundown, overview, whatever you want to call it, of the List Marketer Professional. Thanks. Have a good day.